Okay, hello, greetings and welcome. Okay, the next topic is the body. Now, let's say you have a physical sensation in your body and you want to release that sensation. You have to release it through the astral matrix. Most mental training exercises release the mental matrix, which attaches you to your ego, to the physical body, and you're able to release emotions very efficiently through releasing the mental matrix. But you also have to soften the astral matrix if you want to release physical things, physical pain, physical sensations. So this requires a slowing down of time. So you have a physical experience. Let's just say it's a load or a stress on your body, or a pain of some sort, whether it's created through lifting a weight or a health problem. You pay attention to the sensation and then you slow it down. You have to slow the sensation down itself, and as you slow the sensation down, the pain will ease off as you release time on the sensation of pain. Now, if you're in the gym and you're putting a heavy load on your body, this energy will start to load itself and store itself in the astral body, and we call this the first transformation. These are exercises on slowing energy down. So the energy transforms into the battery of the astral body and gets stored there for other uses. Now, if it's a health issue, if it's emotionally based, it'll move you into the root of the emotion, where you have to release that to dissolve the pain. So this is a very, very good way of self-healing, and it's a very, very good way of power storage and power production. And it's a lot of fun to practice. Okay, releasing the body. Have a play with it. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll do follow-up videos. See you on the next video.